Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on a new housing development for Negril. Now what makes this development special is it's being done by the same developers as Richmond Estate. And as you know, as you can see from the videos we've made about Richmond Estate, that it is the #1 development in Jamaica. You're not going to find a nicer development, a nicer looking development in Jamaica. Some say in even the Caribbean. It's completely sold out. It's in Richmond Estate, which is in St. Ann. And we've always spoken about Draxall, and Draxall is the fastest growing area in Jamaica. And it's because the houses in Draxall are based on the Richmond Estate model. But Draxall has thousands of homes, tens of thousands of homes. Richmond Estate, I think, I'm just estimating at probably between 4,000 and 5,000 homes. Very nicely done. So this development that's being done in Negril, we are going to go through an article that gives more information on it. But if that development comes anything close to the one original Richmond Estate in St. Ann, then that development might be sold out quicker than the Miami Bay development that Czech is doing in Miami Bay, which is also in St. Ann. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what they're doing in Negril now. Now, can you imagine a development like this in Negril? Game changer. It would do extremely well. Alright. Elias Lee Issa, a veteran entrepreneur in Jamaica's tourism, real estate, and retail industries, has taken a significant step towards addressing Negril's housing needs. The National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, recently granted him approval to construct a multi-family residential development at Rutland Pen, located along Norman Manley Boulevard in Negril. Although specific details of the project remained under wraps, NEPA's green light signals noteworthy progress for the resort town, which continues to experience growing residential demand, especially among hospitality workers. Negril, long renowned for its pristine beaches and vibrant tourism economy, has increasingly struggled with balancing development and housing. As the tourism sector flourishes, so too does the need for affordable and accessible housing for workers who support the local economy. Issa's development has the potential to ease some of these pressures, contributing to a more sustainable urban fabric in the area. The choice of Rutland Pen for the venture is strategic. Norman Manley Boulevard is a prime artery in Negril, home to many resorts, restaurants, and commercial establishments. By locating a residential project there, Issa is not only positioning the development within easy reach of the employment centers, but also integrating it into the heart of the community. This alignment of residential and commercial development could improve both quality of life and economic efficiency for local residents. Elias Issa brings significant experience to the table. As the operator of the Couples Resorts chain, which includes 4 high-end all-inclusive properties in Negril and Ocherios, he is no stranger to the intricacies of hospitality and community development. Furthermore, his previous success with Richmond Estate in St. Ann, one of Jamaica's well-regarded residential complexes, demonstrates his ability to deliver high-quality living spaces that are both functional and appealing. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think of this development, and if you think this is not the #1 development in Jamaica, let us know which development is nicer than this one. Leave a comment in the section below. This could probably be the #1 development in the Caribbean. I've heard people say that already, but I would go as far as to say this is the #1 development in Jamaica. Alright, guys, leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.